How's it going, everyone? We're going to give you a nice update on HOLO since it's the most hyped up stock. It's been giving nice returns. It's just a roller coaster ride. You're going to go up, down, up, down, up, down. And just because we're in this trend channel, guys, respect the trend channel, take your profits, reset your averages. The worst thing you want to be is up 40%, up 20%, and then be down 10%. Because then when you go up again, you're just going to be like, I just want to get out of this stock. This is just nonsense. I've been there, done that. And that's why I tell everybody in that community, we take conservative gains. You take what you get. The only thing you can control is what the market gives you. You control your risk. You control, when you're up, do you take it out or do you be greedy? So HOLO, a lot of people has been greedy and they've been holding this thing forever. As you can see, the last pump, I've known people that bought right when it started dumping down and way up in this range. But if you look at chart history, look at any stock, China stocks are a lot harder. But if you see things, every price action will hit the EMA 5, 10, and 20. You need to keep reiterating that. Keep looking at charts. Look at what distances it takes to do it. If it don't touch your EMA 20 in 2 months, it is very long. So when we had this massive turn here, a lot of the times, when you see this big volatility, you're going to hit the 5 and 10. But those are just correction points. People look to short these areas because the algos know these are big, crucial areas. Could it go to the 20 right away? Yes, but most likely not. And so what happens is we keep using these as rejections. The EMA 10 is the yellow band. What happens? We sell off, we hit the 20, the algos did their completion, roll in new bag holders, and people come back in, and all these pumps are getting new bag holders to come in. This is the trend we're in. This is the only trend that makes sense. Anybody that tells you otherwise is just pumping out of nowhere. We're in a very tight channel. We can very well get out of this channel. But you do want to take the gains when it hits this channel here. As you can see, we're doing the same pattern. We hit the 10 here, this yellow band. We hit the 10 here. On this yellow band, we hit the 10 here. And we just kept doing it and doing it. That means we are weakening that area of resistance. When you hit something, a lot of times it gets weaker and weaker and weaker. And we know bulls have to hit the EMA 20. Well, what's the EMA 20 at? Its last touch was at 604. We do things based on time distance in my Discord. I teach you guys how to do all this. I teach you guys how to set up the chart. I teach you guys how to get precise entries. We don't base our trades on emotions or feelings. People that, when it was at $2, no one would have thought HOLO would go to 50 cents because our human brain can't comprehend that. I didn't think it would. I have to trade on based on what I see. I know our best buys are near the ATR4. This is my ATR best setup when it hits this green band here, but it doesn't have to necessarily hit that. Just like it don't have to hit the upper band, and that's considered a sell zone. But we have to base our trades on what we see. We know we sell no matter what at EMA 20, or you do a trail stop and you try to get as much returns as possible. But we know there's a very big chance it's going to sell. We've seen it happen all the time. Any stocks, penny stocks eventually absolutely do it. So for HOLO, my next buy is right here at 34 cents. Will it get there? I'm not sure. But the last times it's been pumping has been in these areas. We see these pumps here. Pump, 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 and then pump. Are we going to get another pump? I can very well make well over 100% gains, and then people will be bag holding in the $2 range, hoping they get out, and you could be making money consistently. HOLO has the volume. Take advantage of it. It's going to respect the trends here. If I'm going to buy it, it's going to be at the bottom trend channel, and I'll look for upper trend channel touch, EMA 10 rejection, or EMA 20 if it gets there, but we will hit the EMA 20 here very soon, in my opinion. Last touch was 604. Current date is 726. So about 804 is your 2-month mark. So keep that in mind, guys. This is your HOLO update. Do this strategy, and I promise you will be profitable. If there's no trade, that's fine. I'll give you guys a trade to find. There's always a setup. There's day tradings to do. There's so much things to do. Do not trade based on boredom, or you will lose in the market every time. It's just a fact. It's a guarantee. And then you will revenge trade and make your money back, and you'll be down in a bottomless pit, just like how HOLO's been going down consistently. Do not be like this. Trade based on a system that works. This system uses EMAs. It uses the ATRs. We use trend channels where we're not at the ATRs. We look at time distance. Are we close to the targets that we're going to hit? EMA 5, 10, and 20 will get hit, so we always buy under the EMA 5. As you can see, price hit the EMA 5 here. It's acting as resistance, so now we're under it. Are we closer to the trend channel? No. So we use all these things and these tools to make educated guesses to make big profit. If you guys want to join the Discord, you're guys more than welcome. I have this, just not to brag, but the swing tradings have been very well over even with this nasty market, I'm still holding a 100% win ratio in the past 5 months. I lost one trade way back about 7 months ago. It was on Peggy, a penny stock, and I disobeyed my rules, and that was my last trade that I lost over countless of 50 to 100 trades. I promise you, you guys are going to be consistent. You're going to be profitable. Control your emotions. Read as many psychology books. Do as many back testing, and you guys will be it. If you guys hit the link down below in the YouTube comments or in the premium or in the description, I have a link to join the Discord. It'll say join the premium Discord. You can't miss. It'll be pinned. What you want to do is head on over to the server shop. You'll see I'm going to teach you how to trade like a pro, and you can see all the services I offer. I'm going to make you guys think about trading that you never imagined about it. It is not gambling like a lot of people think. It's not just throwing darts at random points. It's probability games, and that's how we're going to treat trading. Swing Trading Plus is $6. Day in Swing Trading Plus is $12. The $12 a month has the most value. You get more alerts sent to your phone, entries and exits, very transparent. I'm not here to hide anything. I know the system works, so I'm here to I'm going to send you guys my entries. I'm going to send you guys my exits. I'm going to tell you why I get in trades and all that. And there's a whole education, $12 a month, subscribe on computer, and you'll get access to all that for only $12 a month, and you won't pay a penny more. Do it on your computer. If you do it on your phone, you'll be charged a little more. So you're going to get the RTK journals to see my win ratio. I started doing this journals to help you guys develop confidence, day trade alerts, day trade education, swing trade alerts, swing trade education. It's all there, guys. Hope to see you guys in the next video. I'm waiting out on HOLO. This is just a video to be patient, ignore the pumpers, and trade what works. That's all that matters, guys. All right, peace out.